Yo, what's going on, YouTube? Making y'all another video. But it's mad early, man. Well, it's not mad early, but it's kind of early. It's like 9:40. Woke up like an hour ago. But, man, we about to get on the highway, man. Give y'all a highway POV. If y'all not subbed yet, man, what are y'all doing, man? Subscribe. If y'all like POV drives, man, this is for you. This is for you. Let's see if we can. Oh, bro, he has color tint like me, bro. Look, I don't know if y'all can see that. I have chrome tint, but he has blue tint. I'm sorry, bro. I get excited over cars. Yeah, man. Man, I just came to my taxes right now. Well, not yet. I came to book an appointment because they're packed. It's like the end of tax season, so everybody's just trying to hurry up and like get it over with. Bruh, there's no way, bro. Is that an M3? 335? But yeah, no, man, I came to do my taxes. Basically, it's just packed. So, there's like a wait list, so I'm gonna have to come back later. They're gonna call me and let me know. Yeah, and that's why I came to do this morning, bro. That M3 is so nice, bro. I've thought about getting one. Not now, later on. I don't want to buy that yet. I know what I can handle. I don't think I can handle M3 yet. Like, money-wise. I'm gonna get one soon. When I say soon, hopefully next 5 years, bro. Hopefully next 5 years. Hopefully when I'm like 25, I'll be able to have one. That's the goal. Never know, bro. Could be before. You know, man, I hate tax season though, bro. If y'all don't know, man, forget taxes, bro. Let me just drive. I know y'all don't want to hear that. Oh, look at that M3, bro. Come on, bro. Play with me. Play with me. I know you want to play. Bro, he just got it too, bro. You're going crazy, bro. Behave yourself. Bro, you know, stock, those aren't like, I gotta take it back. They're fast, but they're not crazy fast, if that makes sense. You definitely get like a good all-around good car, but I mean, I don't know. I take that back, bro. With that mentality, like at that point, like any car could be fast. Like that Kia right there could be fast, bro. You can slap a souped up engine with like a big turbo, bro. That's gonna be fast. You probably like, look at this lap there, Infiniti cutting up with me. I'm on my way to my girl though. Eat some breakfast with her before. Damn, bro, that thing's so sexy from the front. Holy moly. Bro, you're not even looking at the road, bro. You're looking down. He's trying to be cool. Bro, we get it. You got an M3, bro. Just be yourself. I hope you don't crash into me so I can get my own M3. Imagine. That's funny, bro. I wonder what playlist you're listening to. What playlist you got in the M3? Bro, that thing is so sexy. I can't even tell if I got a lip on it. It's like the yellow makes it look so aggressive. Like, you'd think yellow wouldn't be aggressive, but the yellow makes all the accents pop out a lot more. So you can see all the aggressiveness, if that makes sense. Yes, come over here, come play with me. But I don't know if y'all can see that in review, bro. Sexy. Holy moly. Nah, he don't want to play. Damn. How unfortunate. But I really gotta take it easy, bro. Police. I'm supposed to get my oil pan done. I'm gonna see if I can get my oil pan done next Friday. Because the thing is, like, the guy that I want to do it, he's only available on the weekdays, and I work through the weekdays, and I can't. I don't want to really be abusing it.